Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT payment declined or failed issue. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you're using a computer to subscribe, well, you can just go ahead and use a mobile device to subscribe, okay? That is the easiest way to entirely bypass Stripe's web gateway by subscribing directly through your phone. So if you want to subscribe to your computer, well, go ahead and follow these steps. Go ahead and open up chatgpt.com, and then once you're in here, just click on the sliders right here at the very top. Go ahead and click on cookies and site data, manage on-device site data, and then delete ChatGPT. Delete everything right here that is listed, okay? Once that's done, click on the Done button. Do not reload yet. Close this one. If you have active VPNs, disable it. Once done, right-click on your date and time right here. Click on Adjust Date and Time. And this one will pop up. Make sure that Set Time Zone Automatically and Set Time Automatically are both enabled. Once enabled, click on Sync Now. All right, once that's done, close this one. Go ahead and reopen up the ChatGPT website at chatgpt.com. And once done, continue paying right here. Upgrade the plan. Once done, you should be good to go. Now, what if that won't work? So OpenAI right here maintains strict guidelines regarding what payment methods are accepted. The easiest method that you can use in here is we have, I think, PayPal, all right, or Apple Pay. If you have these options, well, you just got to use these options. If you want to use your card, make sure that you don't use prepaid cards, as OpenAI doesn't support it. Now, sometimes if you go ahead and enter your credit card right here and you have a mobile app, okay, that is tied to your card, credit or debit, okay, just make sure that you enable international purchases or international payment under your card's settings. Now, that's basically it. Now, if all else fails, again, just subscribe using your mobile device, okay, and just log in with the same exact account on your PC. That's how simple it is to fix ChatGPT payment declined or failed issue. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.